Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker review. Today I have two pickups that I want to show you guys. I'm going to be reviewing one, which will be the title right here, and then I'm also going to be showing you what I got for free with this purchase. So to get started, Exhibition had a really great sale this, I think it was the day before New Year's, something like that, like an end of the year sale. They had a big buy one get one free thing going on, and they had some really great shoes on there. So I ended up picking up 4 different pairs of shoes and only paying for 2. And then I picked up another pair of shoes the previous day that were on sale that were pretty hyped. So I'm pretty happy with what I'm going to be showing you guys. To get started off right here, I have a Consortium box right here from Adidas, which was crazy that these were on sale like that. These right here are the Packer and Solebox Energy Boost. They retailed for $180. I ended up paying, I believe, I want to say $160 shipped for this pair and this other pair I'm going to be showing you guys. But to get started, this is the box that comes in. As you see, it's the Consortium box. It has that really nice feel to it. And as soon as you open it up, you get the shoes right here. Let me go ahead and actually look at the receipt for you guys to let you know exactly what I paid. Okay, so actually what I paid was $144 and $10 shipping. So on this receipt for this one, it says $144, and for the other pair that I picked up, it just says $10. So about $155 total for this pair that retailed for $180 plus another pair. Now I want to start off by saying these shoes have a really distinct smell to it. It just smells weird. The box kind of smells like that too. I don't know why, but I think it might just be the materials used. But the shoe in person is super dope. So this is what it looks like right here. It has some coordinates on the side. This one right here says Solebox on the heel. The other one's gonna say Packer on it. So I thought that was really cool. How they just brought both brands together. You can see here on the tongue as well, it has both branding. The insoles here are pretty cool. It says Consortium with the handshake. This one happens to say Solebox, but the other one does say Packer on it as well. And what I really love about the shoe is its full prime-knit design. It even has like that 1.0 design on the toe right there, which I thought was really cool. The gradient effect that's into it. Pretty much just this whole shoe has a lot of details to it, and I don't have any energy boost, so this is my first one right here, and I'm pretty happy with it. It does come with these like turquoise 3M laces with like little candy cane lace tips, and then it also comes with a gray pair just like it, and of course just your regular tags. Now one thing I found strange is that it says it's Continental on the tag, but here on the sole it doesn't have anything that lists that it's Continental on there. As you see, you get your boost windows pretty much throughout the shoe. This is a little bit different than the Ultra Boost, like the texture on the bottom. This is like really shiny and plastic looking compared to the Ultra Boost that's on there. That has a torsion system, but it's a little bit different than an Ultra Boost. Overall, I think it's just a really sick pair of sneakers, especially with that big sale they had going on. They did do an Ultra Boost with the collab as well, but this one I think just looked better to me. I didn't really like the whole mid look to the Ultra Boost. This one fits like my style better. So that was pair 1 from the pickups. This one right here is a Nike Lab release, which was regular $150 that I got for free out of that. This right here is the Nike Commuter. They did a few different versions of this shoe. They did an ACG model that had ACG written inside the tongue. This one is just a Nike Lab release. It doesn't say Nike Lab on the box label or anything, but you do get your Nike Lab tag attached to it. So that was kind of strange, I thought. It does give you instructions on how to put on the shoe, which I thought was a little bit strange, but there is some magnetic closures on the shoe that really drew me to it. It has that Nike ACG look, like the old school stuff that I used to like. It does have, like I said, a bunch of like little magnetic closures. So like there's one right here that you kind of cinch, and then you also get this buckle right here that just undoes, and then you just snap it back. I was really able to pick up a lot of good things off that sale. So I ended up buying 4 things from the buy one get one free, 3 to keep for myself, and then I just bought 1 to resell on StockX just so I can make some money back from the other one. So overall, it was a really great sale. But that is going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.